Hello! I'm Annie. Are you ready for some arts and crafts today? We're going to draw Dino the dinosaur. What do we need to draw Dino the dinosaur? An eraser, a pencil to draw Dino, 3 different sized paintbrushes, 1, 2, 3, and they're different sizes, a black marker to outline Dino when we're finished, oil pastels that we'll use to color the background, gouache paint. I chose 4 different colors: yellow, blue, white and red. You can choose any colors you like. A paint palette and a glass of water. Remember, we need a thick white paper to draw and paint on. Here's one important tip. Take some tape before you start and stick your white paper to the table so it doesn't move while you work and paint. Nice work! Now it's time for the fun part. Let's draw Dino the dinosaur. Take your pencil, use your hand as a measurement so Dino's head is like a circle, but we won't close it at the bottom since we need to draw Dino's long neck. Good job! Now we're drawing 2 ovals for Dino's eyes. Now you can see. Use your eraser and erase the line right in the middle of the oval. Now to draw the inner part of Dino's eyes. Then we draw 2 small circles. Now we're going to draw bony plates, so they look like half ovals. Good job! Then we're drawing eyebrows for Dino. Dino, you need eyebrows. So we want to draw a big smile for Dino. Now for some teeth. So you're drawing them almost the same as the bumps. So we draw 2 circles as Dino's nostrils. In the background, we can draw some clouds. So take your pencil and draw clouds in the background. Here we go. It's time to paint Dino. Take the yellow paint or whichever color you like and put some in the paint palette. Take your paintbrush, put it in the glass of water, and then let's start painting. And then we want to wash our paintbrush before we start with the next color. We'll take blue and add some to the paint palette. Let's add some blue paint on the paintbrush and paint the bony plates. We don't want to paint Dino's head and neck blue too, so be careful and paint nicely. Next, we'll take a smaller paintbrush. We want to draw a blue smile for Dino. Next, we'll take some white paint to paint Dino's teeth. Let's take the small paintbrush again. Next, we'll take some white paint to paint Dino's teeth. Take your black marker. And then we're coloring in the inner part of Dino's eye. And then we draw Dino's eyebrows and outline his eyes. Draw all along Dino's head. Then we outline the bony plates. For the next part, we're outlining the nostrils. And then for the teeth. Outline the teeth nice and slowly. Let's outline the clouds. An oil pastel. You can choose any color you like. Nice! Now that we're done with the painting and coloring, let's write something. Take a red pastel and draw a small heart. Now you can write. You can write your name or you can write Novakid. You did a wonderful job today. Unfortunately, we must say goodbye. I really enjoyed this arts and crafts with you today. See you again soon. Goodbye!